Dear student, come to the questions on polynomials as well as linear equation in two variables. So question number 1 is here, px equal to x plus 5. You have to find px plus p minus x. This is equal to px equal to x plus 5. P minus x is minus x plus 5. P minus x means put x equal to minus x in P. So you will get x cancel, you will get 10. 10 will be your answer. Now here is question number 2. This is question number 2. Degree of the following polynomial. डिग्री ऑफ जीरो पॉलिनोमियल अगर पूछता है कभी भी तो क्या लिखना है आपको? नॉट डिफाइंड. डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल जीरो, दैट इज जीरो पॉलिनोमियल हैव नो डिग्री, इट इज नॉट डिफाइंड. डिग्री ऑफ कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल इज 1. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. 30 is the solution of 2x minus 3y plus k equal to 0. Then find the value of k. Put x equal to 3 and y equal to 0 in the given equation. You will get x equal to 3, 3 to the 6, minus y equal to 0, so minus 3 into 0, that is 0, plus k equal to 0. It yields k equal to minus 6. Therefore value of k is minus 6. Now this is your fourth question. Find the points where 3x plus 4y equal to 12 intersects the axis. Put y equal to 0. This implies that 3x equal to 12, therefore x equal to 4. This implies that at 4, 0, line intersects x axis. X on which point the line will intersect x axis, where y will be 0. Now if you put x equal to 0, this implies that 4y equal to 12, so that y equal to 3. This implies that at 0, 3 line intersects y axis at 0, 3. Now you have next question. This is question number 5. pt equal to 4t power 4 minus 3t square plus 5t minus 6. You have to find p minus 3. Put t equal to minus 3 in the given polynomial. So what you get? p minus 3 equal to 4 into minus 3 power 4. t के प्लेस पे minus 3 रखना है. minus 3 into minus 3 square plus 5 into minus 3 minus 6. Then this is equal to 324, because this is 81 into 4, 324. Minus of 3 into minus 3 square. Minus 3 square is plus 9 into minus 3, that is minus 27. Then minus 18, and then minus 15, then minus 6. It is calculated as 324 minus of, so you will get 324 minus of 48. This is equal to 276. Now we come to Now we come to question number 6. Question number 6 here. Find the remainder when 8x cube minus 6x square plus 5x minus 18 is divided by x plus 2. Then you have to find the remainder. First of all, put x plus 2 equal to 0 so as to get x equal to minus 2. Now the remainder when the given polynomial is divided by x plus 2 is equal to p minus 2. If you say polynomial is px, then remainder is p minus 2. That is 8x cube. So 8 into minus 2 cube minus 6x square. So minus 6 into minus 2 square plus 5x, then 5 into minus 2 and minus of 18. So you will get it is equal to minus 64 minus 24 minus 10 minus 18, calculated as minus 116. Therefore, remainder when the given polynomial divided by x plus 2 is minus 116. Now this is question number 7. You have to factorize 125m cube minus 512 n cube. This may be written as 5m whole cube minus 8n whole cube. Now using the formula a cube minus b cube equal to, in one bracket a minus b, another bracket, in one bracket it is a minus b, another bracket a square plus b square plus ab. So 5m whole cube minus 8n whole cube. Put 5m in place of a and 8n in place of b. So you have 5m minus 8n in one bracket. In another bracket, square of 5m, that is 25m square, plus square of 8n, that is 64n square, plus 5m into 8n, that is plus 40mn. This will be your factor. Now question number 8. Write 4 solutions of 3 into x minus 3 plus 2y equal to 5. If you put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, you have 3x minus 9 plus 2 into 0, so only 3x minus 9 equal to 5. This implies that 3x equal to 14. Therefore x equal to 14 upon 3. Therefore 14 upon 3 comma 0 is a solution of the given equation. Now put x equal to 3. This implies that 2y equal to 5. Because if you put x equal to 3, this term will be 0. And you will get 2y is equal to 5. So y equal to 5 by 2. This implies that 3 comma 5 by 2 is other solution. Now put y is equal to 1. You will get 3 into x minus 3 plus 2 into 1 equal to 5. That is 3 into x minus 3 equal to 5 minus 2, that is 3. 3 cancel on both sides, you will get x equal to 3 cancel to get 1 here. So x minus 3 equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 4. This implies that 4 1 is another solution. Now if you put x equal to 6, so what you get? 3 into 6 minus 3 plus 2y equal to 5. So what you get? 2y is equal to 5 minus 9, that is minus 4. This implies that y equal to minus 2. Therefore 6 comma minus 2 is another solution to the given linear equation in 2 variable. But while you make the graph, you have to think that the solution in fractions should not be come when you make the graph.